Hello, everyone. In this video, we are going to go over the crucial role of qualifiers, which are essential for completing the overall picture. After we have already defined the subject of the event, means, who, and the action, means, what, through the icon symbols, and we have found the appropriate meanings for ourselves, we must place or express this in space and time for the purpose of authentic and precise storytelling. We can also apply extra additions, and number qualifiers as well as color qualifiers will help us in doing so. The spatial qualifiers in the wingless style system. Coat of arms are the geographical anchors of legends, enabling the precise spatial placement of the narrative. If you have captured your story, you can record your current location or the city that serves as the setting for your personal experiences by using a coat of arms. Conversely, in the case of the ninth history, the coat of arms serves to designate the exact location of wartime events or political decisions. In narratives looking back into the past, we can designate the empires and regions of bygone eras with coat of arms. Here, I would note that the use of portraits is common and provides an excellent opportunity to depict figures from bygone eras. Flags are broader symbols of national identity and state sovereignty. Therefore, they offer an alternative to mark the political environment or national affiliation of the plot. A great opportunity arises, for example, when depicting the ninth history category, showing under which flag the patriots unite. Special attention is required when depicting the past tense, when the flags of bygone eras and historical empires appear, evoking the glory or downfall of old times. Through this, we can express ourselves even more precisely, and our overall picture will include not just an event, but its conclusion as well. The application of the map in the wingless style is the refinement of the visual narrative, where we can record the focal point of events with pinpoint accuracy using the marker pin and other graphic signs. The marking allows for the exact determination of the location. The map is an excellent interface surface where coat of arms or flags make the coherence of the event even clearer. For deeper interpretability, we can also insert flags or coat of arms directly onto the map, which serve as visual confirmation to identify a given region or country. Thus, the map does not merely serve to mark a single location. The reader immediately grasps the nature of the story and its local territory. In the structure of time qualifiers, seasons encompass the broadest interval. In the ninth history category, this frequently depicts cyclical yet fateful periods. The symbolism of seasons carries a deeper semantic content. For example, swallows appearing in the summer sky envision the hope of coming peace and a period of tranquility in the overall picture. Dates can be used for more precise chronological recording, but in all cases, they are written in Roman numerals separated by dots. Now that we have covered seasons, years, and days in a figurative sense, let us move on to the hours and minutes as seen through the eyes of an untrained person. Although the narrowest element of the structure is the clock, which records the immediate timing of events by marking minutes and hours, it is nevertheless one of the most precise depictions. The numerical markings placed on the clock face communicate exact data, thereby fine-tuning and complementing the story. This allows the observer to experience the moments of the plot line almost with second-by-second accuracy. The number of pieces is decisive. Coins are the elements through which we can express both our religious devotion and lustful intent towards fornication, as well as our opinions. The piece number of icons and symbols the extra semantic content, not with abstract digits, but through the conscious repetition of the icons. Although the symbolism of numbers matches the values learned on the clock face, it creates an incidental meaning in the depiction, a religious or national affiliation, or perhaps a consequence arising from this, which is a depiction option linked to a person or action rather than time. For instance, if we place 4 red roses next to each other in the overall picture, we can thereby mark a Hungarian quality or origin, and it will represent a Hungarian woman who nevertheless belongs to the Roman side. This rule, which can also be called visual numerology or number mysticism, provides an opportunity to freely express an opinion on the theocratically built system, or to express one's position within the system. And with color determinate, we can express affiliation, which is the most direct tool for expressing historical continuity. Not every icon, symbol, or character can have its color changed. Some have a defined color or colors, such as the bat or the flower fairy. The color red, for example, does not merely evoke ancient Rome, but often projects its symbolic consequences into the modern era. For instance, the red rose also embodies the symbolism of the Roman feminine archetype. In imperial identification, purple designates the heritage and dignity of the SPQR, while other shades, such as orange, symbolize economic power. Colors are also capable of evoking or expressing the persona of a character. The color blue, for example, is the distinctive color of wingless, which defines the character's identity as a kind of spiritual imprint. I hope this video helped you. I wish you a pleasant overall picture creation. Goodbye.